Hello, today we're going to look at example 3.4, hedging problems. So as you can see in problem, hopefully you've read through this, but as you can see in problem 1, we've decided that we want to hedge 5,000 bushels of corn, and we're planning on selling this in 5,000 bushels in October. Currently, December corn futures price is 4.25, and we expect basis to be 30 cents under. So, just so you understand, what we're going to do here is figure out what we plan on a realized price for our grain. And if you take a look, futures price is the 425, like I said, and we subtract basis because basis is 30 cents under. Remember, basis is the difference between futures price and local cash price. And we don't know exactly what basis is going to be at the time of delivery of our grain, but we can guess based on previous years. And so in this case, we are expecting basis to be 30 cents under. That gives us an expected hedge price then of 3.95. 4.25 minus 30 cents equals 3.95. So we decide that that's an acceptable price, and we go ahead and place our hedge. We place the hedge by selling one December futures contract at 4.25 a bushel. Okay, so here's the deal. We sold at 4.25 a bushel. We sold a contract on the mercantile exchange at 4.25 a bushel. Now let's figure out and see what happened here. On October 30th, we deliver the corn to the elevator and sell it. The elevator price is 3.50 a bushel. You also offset our futures position by buying back a futures contract, and the price is currently 3.80. So we had originally sold a futures contract at 4.25. Now futures price has gone down, which is what we were afraid of, but we're okay because we went ahead and we hedged it using the mercantile exchange. And we originally had sold at 4.25. Now price is 3.80. We get to buy it back cheaper. We sell at 4.25. We get to buy it back at 3.80. That's a gain of 45 cents. As we learned, we sold at 3.50 cash. Remember now, we predicted a 30-cent basis, and it ended up being a 30-cent basis. Futures price was 3.80, and the elevator price was 3.50. The difference between 3.80 and 3.50 is 30 cents a bushel, which is exactly what we predicted. So we take our cash selling price of 3.50, we add the gain in futures of 45 cents, gives us a net price of 3.95, which is exactly what we predicted. So since the basis ended up being exactly what we predicted it be, our net price received turned out to be exactly what we predicted it to be, and that's called a perfect hedge. Now in problem 2, our basis is going to widen from where we expect. On May 1st, December futures are trading at 4.35, and we expect a basis in this case of 35 cents. If we sell futures at 4.35 and basis is 35 cents under, that means we're expecting a hedge price of $4. Let's see how things worked out. We feel that's an acceptable price, and we go ahead and call our broker and instruct her to sell one December futures contract at the 4.35 a bushel. So we sell a futures contract at 4.35. On October 30th, we deliver 5,000 bushels to the elevator and sell it at 4.25. December futures are trading at 4.65. So futures are 4.65, cash price is 4.25. That's a difference of 40 cents. Our basis is 40 cents. We predicted a basis of 35 cents. So basis is slightly wider. It's 5 cents wider than what we projected. We had sold futures at 4.35. Now we have to buy futures back at 4.65. So futures went up in price. We get a futures loss this time of 30 cents. We do get to sell cash corn at 4.25, but we have to subtract our futures loss of 30 cents, and that yields us a net price of $3.95. That $3.95 net price is 5 cents smaller than our expected net price of $4. Why do we get a 5 cent less price? Because basis was 5 cents wider than what we expected. Okay, problem 3. This is the same mechanics, same type of math. In this case, though, we have corn already harvested. It's in the bin, it's in storage. It's January 1st, and we're planning to sell 15,000 bushels of corn in March so that we can make our current rent payment. March corn is trading at $5, so we expect a basis of 30 cents under. What expected price do we have for our hedge? Futures price of $5. Basis expected to be 30 cents. So our expected net price is $4.70 a bushel. Another question, how many futures contracts will we have to sell to hedge 15,000 bushels of corn? Well, 3. Each contract is 5,000. If we want to hedge 15,000 bushels of corn, we need to sell 3 contracts. Okay. We place our hedge on January 1st by selling futures at $5 a bushel. So we sell futures at $5. On March 1st, we sell 15,000 bushels at the local elevator. Local price now is $3.50 a bushel. And March futures are trading at $3.82. You instruct their broker to buy 3 contracts back at that price. So we figure out our net cash price received. We sold futures for $5. Now futures have come down to $3.82. So we get to buy it back cheaper than what we sold it for. We have a gain of $1.18. We sold cash corn at $3.50 a bushel. We now get to add the futures gain of $1.18. We end up with $4.68. We end up with $4.68 as a realized price, which is 2 cents less than what we expected. Why 2 cents less? Because our basis was 32 cents instead of the 30 cents that we predicted. So remember, when we're figuring out our realized price on a hedge, we need to know what did we sell futures at, what can we buy futures back at, and then what do we have for a cash sales price. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, stop by my office, or drop me an email. I'll do my best to help you out. So thanks for your attention and hope this helped.